Center. Left. Right. Center. Ang pwede bang quick and fast? Hands down. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Center. Right. Okay. Cut. Okay. Hands sa lap. Hands sa lap. Ready. Ready. Ano to? May count. Ready. Center. Left.
Left, right. Ang daming right, oh.
Left.
Left, right yan eh. Ang daming right.
Left. Left.
Ayan ang mga ano.
Yun ang sinasabi natin. Kasi once na na-stage na tayo, malaking disaster yan, teacher. Right. Center. Stage right. Ayun o.
Left naman to sila. Puro left.
Balik kayong dalawa. Left yan eh. Nasa stage right tayo eh. Stage right, stage right.
Right. For sure. Right.
Sure, right.
Anong problema nyo? Mini-mirror nyo kasi sila, yun yung hindi nga nakikipwede. Others, one. This one. Yan ang right. Yan o. Nag-mirror kayo sa kanila kaya hindi pwede. Okay? Ready? Again. Center. Lock. Lock. No, sa lap. Sa lap dito. Hindi clap. Lock.
Clock.
On your lap. Ready. Center. Right.
Right neck.
Left.
Si Justin. Ayun, left.
Center. Right. Okay, grade 5, stand up. Okay. I will call your attention. Please help me for those na nandito na nagkakamali. Get them, or get that workshoppers, then take your seat nila. Okay? Be honest. And ready?
Patay.
Ready? Sama kayo. Kasama kayo dun sa instruction. Center. Stay center.
Kasi.
Kasama ka ba? Oo, center. Center. Right. Get the workshoppers na. Kunin nyo.
Right neck, right. Kasi. Kasi. Right neck.
Alright, next. 30 minutes ito. Itong, ano na to, first activity, no? Pag sinabi ko, grade 5, listen. Kunin nyo, iupo nyo. Okay, relax. Alright, again, center, lock. Center, sa center muna, sa center. Yan, center, ready. Lock. Lock, hindi clock. Alright, ready. May count, 3, 2, 1, center. Stage center. When you say stage center, saan yung audience? Nakikita nyo. Kita nyo lahat ng audience. Yan yung center natin. Right.